Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to close your games and applications on your PlayStation 5. Now, the first way to close the game is to press the PlayStation button and then return to the home screen. And then you can go over the application. So I have Call of Duty open and press options on it. And then you can go to close game right on the top. And this will close the game. Otherwise, what you could do is press the PlayStation button, go to the quick menu, and then go on over to the switcher right here and select this. And then you can see your active games or recent games under here. So you can go to your active games, and here's Call of Duty. You can press X on it, and then you can go to close game under this menu, and it's saying close game in the background. So if you have multiple applications open up, probably going to the switcher would be the easiest way to go ahead and close multiple games at the same time. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.